Section 3.4 RA-4. Suppose the data represent the inches of rainfall in April for a certain city over the course of 20 years. We're given the following quartiles. We know that Q1 is 2.115, Q2, which is 3.43, this is also considered the median, Q3, which is 5.05. We want to determine the lower and upper fences. Are there any outliers according to this criterion? So the first thing we need to do is find the interquartile range. The interquartile range is taking Q3 and minus Q1. Well, Q3 is 5.05, Q1 is 2.115. When we subtract that, we get an interquartile range of 2.935. Now, in order to find the lower fence and the upper fence, the lower fence is taking quartile 1 and subtracting 1.5 times the interquartile range. So quartile 1 is 2.115 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range of 2.935, and we get the following number, negative 2.2875. For the upper fence, it's quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So quartile 3 being 5.05 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range of 2.935 gives us 9.4525 for the upper fence. Now, a data point is considered an outlier using this method if it is less than the lower fence or greater than the upper fence. All the values in a given data set are between the lower and the upper fence, therefore there are no outliers. So what you want to do is you're going to look at these two numbers and then look at all the numbers in the data set. And every one of these numbers is within the lower and the upper fence, so therefore there aren't any outliers. Now, if there was, then you would say that, okay, then there are other outliers.